JCW, who are they? At JCW, our service can help from the beginning with a CPD seminar to help kickstart your project plans. And as we are REBA accredited, whilst you're learning, you're also earning points. Specifications and building requirements can be a minefield, so here at JCW we make it our job to help. So just look for us in your local builder's merchant and ask for JCW soundproofing products and let us do the rest. Our friendly internal sales team are waiting for the call, and with their experience and knowledge will always be able to help. We have regional sales managers looking for opportunities to visit sites, give advice and technical support on the next step all over the UK. Wherever you are, we've got it covered. They will always try to get you the best price, even if that does mean having to tell the boss that we're potentially saving lives. Placing orders could not be simpler as long as the builder's merchant has an account with us. They can send us an order and we'll book it in, pack it up and deliver it out. Acoustics, from concept to completion. It's just what we do.